All right, folks, where are we at? We are at pattern-collections.com, looking under pattern focus to find today's pattern. If you aren't following along near when this video is released and you are looking for the pattern, it might not be in this first section. It may be down further because my videos are released, like the one I'm going to do today is going to be released on the 30th of November, but it shows here as the pattern for the 16th of October. Not 30th of November, I'm sorry, 30th of October. This shows the 16th of October. It's because I am always drawing a couple of weeks behind. So you will have to actually scroll down the page until you find the right one. Or you can use the search function here and type in the name of the pattern in this box here, and you'll be able to find it. Just so you know, some people are finding it hard to find the pattern when they're getting to it, so that's why you can't find it, because sometimes my video is way off and sometimes you're watching it like a year later. So, you know, use the search function. So this one's called Madeline. It really is basically the flower of life, just drawn slightly differently. So I don't know how I'm going to do it, but anyway, we're going to start with, shows it starting with a dot grid. I'm not going to do that. I don't think it needs it particularly. So then we're going to start with this like rice-like shape. Okay. And then between the rice-like shapes, we're going to put this shape. And then on the top and the bottom of that shape, we're going to, so basically we're going to make another rice-like shape connecting this one to this one. So you're going to make that, and then you can connect them with another rice-like shape. That's really all that it is. And then this is where it differs from the flower of life shape. Then in here we're going to make like a circle going around like that. See that? So basically on this one we want to split this rice-like shape into two more little rice-like shapes, but we're not going to go all the way to the corner. So you're basically making a circle like that. And then here and here. So you you make that circle, and then you make this little shape. And then you can either leave it like this and just shade it, or you can fill it in, make it more graphic. We'll see what happens here. I'm going to turn on my light. Close your eyes, everyone. I'm going to decide before I start how many of these I want to do. I think I'm going to do I don't know. Probably 3. I'm not sure. We'll just see what happens. We're just going to go for it. So I'm going to do a rice-like shape. I don't want to get too close to the edge. That's my thing, though. I really don't want to get too close to the edge. So I want to bring myself in a little border. Even if I don't use it, I'm going to put that in there just so I don't get too carried away. So let's do a rice-like shape here, and then here, So that's one. Maybe one more. I'm going to do it like that. Okay. And then I'm going to do this way. Now the step out shows it just doing this part like that. But then you're going to come back and do this anyway. So I'm just going to do it all in one step and make my rice-like shape. Okay, and then I'm going to decide where I want the next one. I think I want it here. Like that. And I'm going to put one here. Like that. So then I'm going to put one there. And one there like that. That's good. Okay, so now inside this shape, we're going to make like a circle. So it's going to go here, 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 and here. And then it's going to go the other way. Here. And then this one is going to have one here. This is the tough part. This is where I'm going to have to stop and look because I might miss one. No, I think I got them all. Okay. And now we just color in or shade. I think I'm going to go ahead and color in. But what parts am I coloring? Or am I going to shade? Maybe I'll just shade. Okay, shading it is. So I'm just going to shade right in this spot where these come together. And then I can use my white pencil since I'm on the gray tile or the brown tile. looks good. That. I didn't like it until I put the white on there. Now I do like it. But I feel like this tile is kind of missing something. I don't know. I feel like it's not... It's got too much white. Or negative space there. It's not really balanced. I wonder if I want to just put another one right there. Oh, you know what? I could just do the rice shapes. Ah, I could do that. And then like this. Let's just do that shape some more in various places. Oh yeah. Okay. I like that. Ooh, my toe is letting me know it's there. It's been doing that lately. I don't know. Ever since my last doctor's appointment, my toe has been announcing its presence. Need to work on some more exercising, some more. I've doing some physical therapy on my foot to get it ready to go back to work. It's amazing how much I've lost, like muscle tone and stuff. just sitting around doing nothing. So definitely need to work on that. Okay, so this was called what, Madeline? Yes. Now which way do I want it to live? Now that I've kind of filled the space a little. I think this way. Alright, that's good. I like that. I like that much better than when it just had the circles. I'm happy with that. I can get rid of the border because I didn't use it. There. Perfect. Okay, I'm good with that. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Remember, I'm learning along with you, so if things don't go according to plan, well, that's just kind of the way it goes. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys go out and do something nice for someone today. Let's make the world a better place, one person at a time, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.